Good morning students. Welcome to your English grammar class. Today we will study nouns, number. Students, we have already studied about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech and the first part of speech is noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, bird, thing or an idea. Some of the examples of noun are boy, girl, book, pen, dog, cat, hospital, school. There are several examples of noun. Anything we see around us are all noun. Suppose this is a classroom. In the classroom we can see fans, doors, windows, bench, desk, blackboard. These are all nouns. Now nouns have been classified into 2 broad classes. They are countable noun and uncountable noun. What is countable noun? Countable nouns are those that can be counted. That means countable nouns can be counted by numbers. 1, 2, 3 means 1 or more than 1. The word number refers to whether a noun is only 1 or more than 1. Number refers that the thing is 1 or the thing is more than 1. Countable nouns have 2 numbers. They are singular number and plural number. What is singular number? A noun that denotes one person, place, animal or thing is said to be singular noun. Look at some of the examples. Pen, bus, fox, baby, knife, foot, child. All these examples denote one. So these examples are of singular number. The second one is plural number. What is plural number? A noun that denotes more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be plural number. Examples: pens, buses, foxes, babies, knives, feet, children, etc. Look at this. Pen means one pen and more than one pen is pens. Bus denotes singular number, that is 1. Buses means more than one bus. Foxes. Baby means one baby. Babies means more than one. Knives. Foot, feet, child, and the plural of child is children. Now look at the list of some singular and plural number. Singular number, plural number. Singular number, book, and the plural of book is books. Glass, the plural of glass, glasses. Mango, mangoes. Monkey, monkeys. Lady, ladies. Leaf, leaves. Man, men. Goose, geese. Child, children. Mouse, mice. These are some of the examples of singular number and plural number. You can see we change into s, somewhere by adding es, by removing y and adding is. In this way, we change singular to plural number in various ways. In our next class, we will study the rules of changing from singular to plural. Thank you.